By Missouri Auto Insurance. If you are a resident of the state of Missouri, here is all the information you wanted to know about buying auto insurance in Missouri but didn't know whom to ask or where to look. This article will cover the following: mandatory insurance requirements in Missouri, types of insurance, driver responsibilities and penalties for insurance companies' failure to maintain insurance, mandatory insurance requirements, liability insurance, coverage in case of accidents caused by you with damage to person/property, $25,000 for bodily injury, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, $10,000 per accident for property damage, $25,000 uninsured motorist coverage per person in case of bodily injury, $50,000 uninsured motorist coverage per accident. Types of insurance. Minimum insurance requirements as per Missouri law can be satisfied by any of the following categories of insurance: motor vehicle liability insurance, as explained above. Self-insurance ID card issued by Missouri Department of Revenue, DOR. To qualify, you should own more than 25 vehicles and be able to provide evidence of your capability to pay for damages caused by your vehicles. Certificate of Deposit, CD, or surety bond of $60,000 filed with the Department of Revenue. Real estate bond deposited with the DOR. Driver responsibilities. Driving without motorist liability insurance is an offense. Motorists should produce any proof of valid insurance when asked to do so by any law enforcement officer. If not, a ticket for failure to show insurance proof can be issued. Responsibilities and penalties for insurance companies. Insurance companies must have the relevant license to provide insurance packages to the public at large. All insurance companies are required to provide all details pertaining to auto insurance policies issued by them to the Driver License Bureau, DLB. All new cases insured in the previous month must be updated in the records by the 7th of the succeeding month. Penalties for failure to maintain insurance or show proof thereof. Where the court issues a conviction for failure to provide insurance proof, the details are forwarded by the court to the DLB. The conviction is entered in the driver's record, with 4 points marked. In case a driver totes up 8 points within a period of 18 months, then the license could be suspended. Instead of conviction, the court can opt to issue a supervision order. The order is forwarded to the DLB for periodic monitoring of sufficient liability insurance being maintained by the driver. The third option is for the court to suspend a driver's license directly, by issuing an order to that effect to the DLB. Reinstatement of license. There are 3 terms for suspension of driver's licenses under Missouri law as below. First suspension, 0 days. Second suspension, if within 2 years of first suspension, 90 days. Third suspension and subsequent suspensions, 1 year. The license and or registration plates can be reinstated by the DLB, once the prescribed term of suspension is completed as follows. First suspension, immediately on providing proof of insurance and payment of a $20 reinstatement fee. Second suspension, after 90 days are complete, provided insurance proof is provided and $200 is paid in fees. Third and subsequent suspensions, after 1 year is complete, with proof of insurance and a $400 reinstatement fee. Insurance proof is to be maintained for a further period of 3 years from the date of reinstatement and copies filed with the DLB. With this, you now have a clear idea of the insurance requirements for automobiles if you are residing in Missouri. Remember to play it safe, drive carefully and keep your insurance and registration up to date.